The year is 2024 and AI is here to stay. I've done a couple of videos about AI in the past, and in this video I'll break down how you can make the most money on OnlyFans just via selling the messages, implementing AI to automate processes to make more money and to just make your life easier once and for all. Now, before I get into the video, let me just quickly give a disclaimer. In the previous AI videos that I did, a lot of people complained about me not actually showing the method, just talking about what to do but not how. Let me give you a reality check. I'm not here to make you money via proxy. I'm here to give you information. You're watching this video because you want to learn certain things that you can do in your business. I will tell you what to do. I won't give you the specific site and like what options to use. You can test that out yourself. I don't want to waste your or my time. So be prepared. I'm going to give you the ideas, but you have to implement them yourself. Now, first thing you can do, and this is especially relevant if you have creators that have multiple languages in their profile, or you have chatters that only know one language and you have all this headache with, okay, their language isn't that good and sometimes they have to speak Spanish, sometimes they have to speak English, German, whatever it is. To fix this entire thing, you can use some kind of translator, DeepL AI, something like that. There are numerous things out there. Like I said, you have to test some of them, see which one fits your systems best. But let me tell you, once you implement those AI systems in your chatting, you can onboard every single creator. Doesn't matter if they're from China, from India, God forbid, or from the USA, from Germany, it doesn't matter. You can work with any creator in the world. Just have your chatting team that just speaks English and your chatting will be fine. Because with usual Google translators, for example, if you translate a sentence, it's usually fucked. You know how this is. It seems like some retard said the sentence. It doesn't really work and the subscribers know it's just translated. But with AI that has millions of hours of learning time, of understanding how to translate, you won't have that issue. So search for some translator AIs and text in any language you want. The second thing that's gonna skyrocket your earnings actively, and I've talked about this in the past, are AI voice notes. What do I mean by that? There are AI softwares out there. Let's say 11 Labs, because most of you probably know 11 Labs. What you want to do is you go on one of these AI voice cloning sites, right? To clone the voice of your creator, you can do that by uploading like some audios of them, or your creator can just log in and like talk into the mic so the AI learns their voice, right? What you can do now is you just type in a text, for example, hey Jonathan, nice to see you, and the AI will give you an audio version of that with the creator's voice and a cute little voice, yada yada yada. Now, you can sell those audios, you can send them for free, whatever you want to do with it. But trust me, it changes the entire game. Because you have to understand it from that standpoint. The average subscriber on OnlyFans, right? He's subscribed to like 10 different models, he knows it's all automated, it's all bullshit. They all have chatting teams, whatever. That's why they always ask for like audios saying their name, because then they know the chick's legit. Okay, it's proof she texts herself, in theory, right? So if you work with these kind of AI audios, you can not only boost the authenticity, and for those of you who are in my private group, you know that authenticity equals money in the chatting, but you can also just sell those audios to like big spenders, to whales, to people who want to spend money for them, saying, okay, can I pay you like $100 and you send me like a 2-minute audio talking about your day, saying my name, yada yada yada. Easy money. It costs you 5 minutes now. It costs you 5 seconds to do that audio. 5 seconds for $100. That's a fucking good hourly wage. Trust me on that. That's better than most jobs out there. Okay, so work with these kind of AI audios, implement a system that your chatters have access to that the voice is legit. And yes, it takes time to figure it out. The first voice you clone will probably sound like shit. It sounds like a robot. Yeah, that's normal because it's AI and you have to fuck around with the settings a little bit. You have to try different settings. You have to clone the voice a couple times until you have the perfect result. So yes, sit in front of your MacBook for like 1 hour, fuck around with the whole AI thing. And after that hour, give your chatters access and see the money coming in, because it's a literally a cheat code. The next thing, and this is where it gets a bit more advanced. So if you're just a bloody beginner, you have no clue what you're doing, I'd suggest not going into this type of stuff right now, because you have different priorities, of course. But let's say you're making already like 10-20 grand a month, you're doing good, but not that good. Okay, what you want to do is, and I won't recommend you a specific AI, because now it just comes down to like what you find, what your preferences are, but get an AI. You can even use some ChatGPT version or whatever. Get an AI to read through all your OnlyFans chats. You have to give the AI some learning material first. The AI has to learn how the subscribers behave, what messages you usually send, and how the whole system of OnlyFans chatting works. Give the AI some material, yada yada yada. Now, what you can do is, once the AI is trained, the AI can do everything for you. Doesn't matter if it's writing an entire script based on how the subscribers buy, when they stop buying, etc, etc. It doesn't matter if it's just some captions for custom content. If you send out the PPV, what caption do you use? Did you write it yourself? Did some AI do it? I guarantee you, if your AI is good enough and if you train it the right way, it will come up with better copywriting than you ever did. And you can also do that with OnlyFans bios, with TikTok bios, with tweets for X and Twitter, with threads, with all this kind of stuff. The main method is just getting some AI that is willing to learn, give it some input, send them like 50 Instagram bios that you know work well, and then just have an unlimited pool of ideas for your copywriting. Because trust me, in this business, even if your TikTok account bio is shit, you'll actively lose money. The whole interaction between the sub and the model completely starts off on the wrong foot. So your priority is to have the TikTok bio, Instagram bio, Reddit bio, the tweets, the OnlyFans bio, the first welcome message, the messages, the scripts, everything in order. And if you're not a good copywriter, and trust me when I say there are very, very few out there that understands how to write it as a girl, but also selly because you don't want to be too selly, it's a big fucking argument, and I'm doing another video about this in the future. Get some AI to do it, train them, and you have unlimited copywriting forever. And there's numerous ways on how you can use AI to benefit your business. I've already done 2 videos about that in the past. You can see them linked in the top corner. Watch them and see how much stuff you can do with AI. I'm not one of those guys jerking off about AI, telling you it's the future of business and it's gonna replace all of us. Nah, it's not working like that. AI is gonna be a helpful thing for your business. You have to do the real work, but you can make processes 10 times faster and you can make 10 times more money if you use it correctly. But again, I haven't told you how to do it because that would just break the whole video. I'd have to sit here for 2 hours explaining you all the different settings. If you want to see a detailed breakdown of all of that, join the free 100% free Telegram community of me with over 4,000 like-minded OFM agency owners. All of them crushing this business every single day, and there you will get the answers you want. Now, for the end of the video, also check out the completely free ebook that I've created in the bio. It gives you everything you need to know about chatting and making money with messages on OnlyFans. Now, that's it for the video. Have a great day.